Description says what happened. Analysis explains why it matters. In ACC, a professional papers, many students lose marks because they describe the scenario, quote a number, or state a theory, but they do not explain the implication. In this video, we will look at analysis marks, what analysis means, what the examiner wants, the do's and don'ts, and the exact phrases you can use to turn basic points into mark-winning explanations. Analysis means breaking information down and connecting it to the requirement. You are not just saying sales have increased or gearing is high. You are explaining what that fact suggests, why it has happened, and what consequence it creates for the business, the audit, the project, or the decision. Good analysis turns information into meaning. A simple formula is point, evidence, implication. Point, identify the issue. Evidence, use the scenario, a number, a trend, or a comparison. Implication, explain why this matters for the decision. If you only write the point, the answer is usually too thin. If you add evidence and implication, the examiner can see your thinking. The examiner wants connected thinking. They want to see that you can use the information in the question, not just repeat it. A strong answer links facts together. For example, a fall in gross margin may become more important if the company is also facing rising supplier costs and pressure to reduce selling prices. That connection is analysis. The examiner is asking, can the student explain the business meaning behind the information? Here are the analysis do's. Do use numbers where they are available. Do compare current performance with prior year, budget, industry, or target. Do explain causes, not just symptoms. Do link two or more scenario facts together. Do explain the impact on cash, profit, risk, controls, stakeholders, or the decision being made. Analysis earns marks when the reader can see the chain of reasoning. Now, the analysis don'ts. Do not dump ratios without explaining them. Do not copy sentences from the scenario and stop there. Do not write generic theory that could apply to any company. Do not list 5 separate facts without showing the connection. Do not say this is good or this is bad without explaining why. Analysis is not more words. It is better reasoning. Let us upgrade a basic point. Basic answer, revenue increased by 12%. That is only description. Stronger analysis. Revenue increased by 12%, but operating profit only increased by 3%. This suggests that the growth may have been achieved at lower margins or with higher operating costs. So management should investigate pricing, discounting, and cost control. Notice the movement from number to meaning to action. Here is another upgrade. Basic answer. The company has opened new stores. Stronger analysis. The new stores explain part of the revenue growth, but they may also explain the pressure on profit because launch costs, staff training, and initial marketing spend are likely to be higher in the first year. This is analysis because it connects two facts, expansion and lower profit growth. One more example. Basic answer, the company should improve controls. This is too generic. Stronger analysis. Because online sales are growing quickly, weak order approval and refund controls could lead to revenue errors, fraud, and customer complaints. Control improvement should therefore focus first on high volume online transactions. The stronger answer is specific to the scenario and explains the consequence. Here are powerful phrases for analysis. This suggests that this is important because the likely consequence is this may indicate an underlying issue with, when combined with the scenario fact that. These phrases force your sentence to explain meaning, not just describe information. Before you leave any analysis paragraph, check 3 things. Have I used evidence from the question? Have I explained why the evidence matters? Have I linked it back to the requirement? If the answer is yes, your paragraph is moving beyond description and into analysis. I have uploaded the full professional marks PDF on RevPro.club. It includes detailed notes, do's and don'ts, examiner guidance, examples, and powerful phrases for communication, analysis, evaluation, skepticism, and commercial acumen. Download it from RevPro.club and use it when practicing past exam questions. Analysis marks are not about writing everything you know. They are about explaining the meaning of the information in front of you. Use point, evidence, implication. In the next video, we will look at evaluation marks, how to make examiner-friendly judgments.